Do she like coffee or does she like coffee? Which one is correct? If you are not 100% sure, you are about to fix a mistake you make every single day.
Honestly, I still get this wrong sometimes. Do and does confuse me constantly, and did is a whole different problem.
Today, that confusion ends forever. In the next 20 minutes, you will understand do, does, and did completely, and you will never make this mistake again.
These three tiny words are in almost every English question and negative sentence, so getting them right changes everything.
Hi, everyone. I am Emma.
And I am Jack. Welcome to Talk Nora, your #1 daily English practice channel.
Do, does, and did are called auxiliary verbs, helping verbs. They help us make questions and negatives correctly. Get them wrong, and your English sounds confused. Get them right, and everything clicks.
And these words come up constantly in every conversation every single day.
Before we start, write your answer in the comments right now. Do you often get confused between do and does? Yes or no? Write it below. We read every single comment.
Tell us honestly, almost everyone struggles with this at some point.
And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell. New English lessons every single week, completely free. Okay, let us go.
Let us go.
Let us start with the foundation. Do, does, and did are all forms of the same helping verb, but each one belongs to a different subject or a different time. I will explain each one clearly. Ready, Jack?
Ready. I need this rule explained slowly and clearly, once and for all.
Rule number 1. Do. D-O. We use do with I, you, we, and they in the present tense. Do helps us make questions and negative sentences. Repeat after me. Do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee? So do goes with you and I, we, they.
Exactly. Present question, do they live here? Present negative, I do not like spicy food. Present question, do we need more time? Do for I, you, we, they in the present.
Do you, do I, do we, do they? I'm starting to see the pattern.
Rule number 2, does. D-O-E-S. We use does with he, she, and it in the present tense. Same job as do, questions and negatives, but only for these 3 subjects. Repeat after me. Does she like coffee?
Does she like coffee? So does is only for he, she, it?
Exactly right. Present question, does he play football? Present negative, it does not work properly. Present question, does your sister speak English? Does for he, she, it in the present.
Does he, does she, does it. He, she, it, the 3 does friends.
I love that. Wait, this next word is the most useful one of the day, and it solves half of your grammar problems immediately. Rule number 3, did. D-I-D. Did is used with every subject. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, but only in the past tense. This is the beautiful part. Did never changes. Repeat after me. Did you like the film?
Did you like the film? So did works with every single subject?
Exactly. That is the wonderful news about did. It is the same for everyone. Past question, did she call you yesterday? Past negative, I did not see him at the party. Past question, did they arrive on time? Did, for everyone, only in the past.
So do and does depend on the subject, but did is always the same. That's such good news.
That is exactly right. Let me give you the clearest way to remember this. Present tense, I, you, we, they, do. Present tense, he, she, it, does. Past tense, absolutely everyone, did. 3 simple rules, and they cover almost every question and negative sentence in English.
This is finally making complete sense.
Pause the video right now and practice with us. Say one question with do, one with does, and one with did about your own life. Go.
Did you do it? Amazing. Tell us your sentences in the comments. We love reading them. Now let's go deeper. This next part changes everything.
Do not skip this. It changes everything. Let us look at the most important rule of all. What happens to the main verb after do, does, and did? This is where most learners make mistakes, even when they know the do, does, did rule.
Tell us. This is exactly where I always get confused.
Here is the golden rule. After do or does, the main verb stays in its base form with no S, even for he, she, it. Does he like coffee? Not does he likes coffee. The S already appears on does, so it disappears from the main verb. Repeat after me. Does she speak English? Not does she speaks English.
Does she speak English? So the S only appears once on does, never on the main verb.
Perfect understanding. And the same golden rule applies to did. After did, the main verb goes back to its base form too, not the past form. Did you go? Not did you went. The past already appears on did, so the main verb stays simple. Repeat after me. Did you go to the party? Not did you went to the party.
Did you go to the party? So the time only appears once, either on does or did, never twice in the same sentence.
Most beginners never learn this rule clearly, but you just did. This single rule fixes so many common mistakes. Present, he does not want any. Not, he does wants any. Past, she did not finish her homework. Not, she did finished her homework. One-time marker per sentence. Always.
One-time marker per sentence. I am going to remember this forever.
Now let's look at 5 more useful patterns with do, does, and did. Pattern 1, short answers. Do you like tea? Yes, I do. Does he live here? No, he does not. Did they come? Yes, they did. Short, natural, very common in real conversation. Repeat after me. Yes, I do. No, he does not. Yes, they did.
Yes, I do. No, he does not. Yes, they did. So natural and quick.
Pattern 2. Do as the main verb too, not just the helper. What do you do for a living? The first do is the helper. The second do is the main verb, meaning your job or activity. Repeat after me. What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living? 2 do's in one sentence, different jobs.
Pattern 3. Doesn't and didn't, the contracted, natural spoken forms. She doesn't like spicy food. He didn't call me back. Native speakers use these contractions constantly. Repeat after me. She doesn't like spicy food. He didn't call me back.
She doesn't like spicy food. He didn't call me back. Much more natural sounding.
Pattern 4. Do for emphasis. I do like you. This adds strong emphasis to a positive sentence, very useful for expressing genuine feeling. Repeat after me. I do love this English lesson.
I do love this English lesson, adding real emphasis.
And pattern 5. WH questions with do, does, and did. What do you want? Where does she work? When did they leave? The question word simply comes before do, does, or did. Repeat after me. What do you want? Where does she work? When did they leave?
What do you want? Where does she work? When did they leave? All 3 question words working perfectly.
3 core rules, 1 golden rule about the main verb, 5 extra patterns. This is real daily English practice, the exact grammar you need in almost every single conversation. Now, let's hear all of this in real conversations.
I am so ready. Let's see do, does, and did in action.
Now it is time to hear do, does, and did in real English conversations. This is where daily English practice becomes real, because these words appear in almost every question and negative sentence you will ever use. Listen carefully, notice which word is used and why, and get ready to speak English confidently.
And I promise, once you hear them in real conversations, choosing the right one becomes completely automatic.
Now, scene 1. Emma and Jack are at a cafe, deciding what to order and chatting about their day.
Great, let us do it.
Do you want a coffee, or does tea sound better today?
I think I do want a coffee, actually. Does this cafe do oat milk?
Yes, they do. Did you sleep well last night? You seem a little tired.
I did sleep well, actually. I just did not have breakfast yet. Does that sound familiar?
It really does. What do you usually do for breakfast?
I usually do toast, but today I did not have time.
Well, this cafe does amazing pastries. Do you want to try one?
I do. That sounds perfect.
Did you hear how naturally do, does, and did flowed through that whole conversation? Do you want? Does this cafe? Did you sleep? Does that sound? What do you usually do? This cafe does amazing. All completely natural.
And nobody was thinking about grammar rules. It just sounded like two friends talking.
Exactly the goal. Now, scene 2, Emma is at her workplace. She is asking a colleague about a project and its progress.
Great, let us do it.
Does the client know about the delay yet?
Not yet. I did not want to email them until we had more information. Does that make sense?
It does, completely. Did you finish the report we discussed yesterday?
I did. I did not have time to check it fully, though. Do you want to review it together?
Yes, I do. Does 2 o'clock work for you?
It does. Did anyone tell the manager about the change yet?
I did. She doesn't mind at all, actually. She does trust our judgment on this.
That is reassuring. What do you think we should do next?
Does the client know? I did not want. Does that make sense? Did you finish? Do you want? Does 2 o'clock? Did anyone tell? She does not mind. She does trust. What do you think we should do? A complete workplace conversation using every rule from today.
This is exactly the kind of English I need in professional meetings every single day.
Now, tell us in the comments, what do you do for a living or what do you study? Write your answer using I do or I study in English below. We want to know about your real life.
Even a short sentence is perfect practice. Write it below. We read every single comment.
The next scene is something that happens to every English learner. Do not miss this.
Yes, this is so important.
Now, scene 3. Emma and Jack are at a friend's dinner party talking about a mutual friend who could not attend.
Great, let us do it.
Does anyone know why Sophia did not come tonight?
I think she did not feel well this morning, but she did text me an hour ago saying she was feeling better.
Oh, good. Does she still want to join us for dessert later?
She does, actually. Did you know she started a new job last week?
I did not know that. What does she do now?
She does something in marketing, I believe. She did mention she really loves it so far.
That is wonderful. Does she work near here?
She does. Just a 10-minute walk from this restaurant, actually.
Emma, I want to check something. I said, did she text me? But I also heard you say, she did text me earlier. Are both correct? Wonderful question. Both are correct, but they are used differently. Did she text me is a question. She did text me is a positive statement using did for emphasis, confirming that yes, it definitely happened. Two different, completely correct uses of did.
Did she text me? Question. She did text me. Confirmed emphasis. I understand completely now.
Beautifully explained. Now, scene 4. Jack receives an unexpected phone call from someone checking important details about an event.
Great, let us do it.
Hello? Yes, this is Jack.
Hi, Jack. This is the venue calling. Does your event still start at 7 o'clock tonight?
Yes, it does. Did you receive our final guest list yet?
We did receive it, thank you. Do you need anything else from us before tonight?
I don't think so, actually. Did the catering company confirm the menu?
They did confirm it yesterday. Everything is ready on our side. Does anyone in your group have food allergies we should know about?
One person does, actually. I will send you the details right away. Did I miss anything important?
I don't think so. We're all set. Does 7 o'clock still work perfectly for everyone?
It does, perfectly. Thank you so much for double-checking everything. And there. Does your event? Yes, it does. Did you receive? We did receive. Do you need? I don't think so. Did the catering? They did confirm. Does anyone? One person does. Did I miss? I don't think so. Does 7 o'clock? It does. An entire realistic phone call, completely natural, using do, does, and did perfectly.
This is exactly the kind of important phone call I would actually need to make, and now I understand every single word choice.
That is the real power of learning through genuine, realistic conversations. You have been absolutely incredible today. Let us do our full, energetic recap together. Repeat after me, loud and confident.
I am ready. Let us go.
Do, for I, you, we, they in the present.
Do, for I, you, we, they in the present.
Does, for he, she, it in the present.
Does, for he, she, it in the present.
Did, for everyone, only in the past.
Did, for everyone, only in the past.
Do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee?
Does she like coffee?
Does she like coffee?
Did you like the film?
Did you like the film?
The golden rule. One time marker per sentence.
The golden rule. One time marker per sentence.
Does she speak English? Not, does she speaks.
Does she speak English? Not, does she speaks.
Did you go? Not, did you went.
Did you go? Not, did you went.
Yes, I do. No, he does not. Yes, they did.
Yes, I do. No, he does not. Yes, they did.
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
Doesn't and didn't.
Doesn't and didn't.
I do love this English lesson.
I do love this English lesson.
What do you want? Where does she work? When did they leave?
What do you want? Where does she work? When did they leave?
Now, our second comment question for today. Write 3 sentences in the comments, 1 question with do, 1 question with does, and 1 question with did about someone in your real life. Ask us a question using each one.
For example, do you speak English every day? Does your best friend live nearby? Did you watch a good film recently? Write yours. We will answer every single one.
You are amazing. You have just mastered one of the most fundamental grammar rules in English. Do, does, and did. Completely, clearly, and naturally. We are so proud of every one of you.
You showed up today. You practiced, and your English is better right now than it was 20 minutes ago. That is real, measurable progress.
Do, does, and did. 3 tiny words that confused you before today, and now you understand them completely, clearly, and confidently.
I genuinely feel different. The golden rule really helped me. 1 time marker per sentence, never 2. That is going to stay with me forever.
Use these words today, right now. Every time you ask a question or make a negative sentence, pause for 1 second and choose do, does, or did. That small pause today becomes automatic tomorrow. That is real daily English practice happening in your real life.
Say them out loud today, even to yourself. That is how it becomes natural. You hear yourself choosing the right word, and it just clicks into place.
If today's lesson helped you, please give this video a like. It takes 1 second and it helps so many other English learners around the world find this lesson. Your like truly makes a difference.
And subscribe if you have not already. We make complete English grammar lessons like this every single week, all free, because we genuinely love helping you grow.
Share this video with someone who mixes up do, does, and did. Send it to them right now. This lesson could fix years of confusion in just 20 minutes.
Emma, what is coming in the next video?
Next time, we are going to teach you the difference between make and do. 2 verbs that confuse almost every English learner. Make a mistake or do a mistake. We're going to make it completely clear once and for all.
Oh, I definitely need that one. I never know which one to use, make homework or do homework.
After the next video, you will know exactly. We'll see you then. Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time. Keep speaking English confidently.